Hey guys, Coach Ethan here. I'm gonna quickly explain what Open Studio is. This is a amazing new option that Orangetheory offers now. So basically, during certain studio hours, it's gonna be different for every studio. For mine, for example, after the last noon class and before the first evening class, there's about three 1 hour slots that you can actually book for and come in and work out however you like with whatever equipment is available in the studio, just like you would in an open gym, like a big box gym, like Crunch or something like that. You go in, work out however you like with whatever equipment is available. That's what you're doing at your Orangetheory studio, which is super, super nice for a bunch of reasons. Now, if you're on a membership, so if you're on basic, it will take one class away. If you're on elite, it will take a class away. Or if you're on premier, it doesn't take a class away, and you can really use that as much as you like. Now, of course, you're probably mostly doing Orangetheory for the group aspect and the fitness classes, but this is a great option to have. It's a great, you know, secondary substitute for a workout. Maybe you have a very, very busy day and you're not able to make it in at the time you normally would. Or maybe you're super sore, you went super hard yesterday and you need like a lighter workout, or you really want to specialize and focus on certain muscle groups. These are great options to try out Open Studio. Don't get the two mixed up. You might hear both terms basically the same thing. So when you go in for Open Studio, you can use the treadmills, you can use the rowers, you can use the weight floor. If you got the cable systems like my Strong Studio does, you can use that, or you can use TRX. And you kind of create your own workout. And on the TV, there is going to be a VVA that shows a bunch of exercises for upper, lower, and core, and it's going to have different rep counts based on if you want to go heavy or endurance style or more explosive style. So you can use that as well. And if you really think about it, after you're doing Orange Theory for a while, you're really getting a bunch of, education about fitness. So you can really start taking everything you're learning in these workouts and applying it to your own. So progressive overload, or learning how it feels to reach that point of fatigue in class, working heavy enough where you actually need that rest, which is going to maximize your muscle growth, and learning, which exercises you feel pretty confident that you have great form on. If there's an exercise that the coach is always trying to help correct with you, that might be one to maybe hold back on, but there's going to be some movements you may be super comfortable on. So maybe something like chest press or stuff like that, you can go and do those movements. And maybe there's like muscle group you want to specialize in. So maybe you feel like your arms aren't getting a hit enough during your normal workouts. Maybe you go in, get a nice arm workout, or maybe there's some move exercises you're super sore in. So maybe last week, all three workouts you came in for were all chest. So maybe you just want to give that a break, hit some lower body. Maybe you want to hit your quads, do a bunch of squats and stuff like that. Super nice option to have. It's not super packed, as it's going to be mostly like a supplement to people's exercise routine. So it is very nice and peaceful, especially compared to a big box gym where it's just overcrowded and all kinds of stuff. It's just going to be a couple people and a nice peaceful space to work out in. With the music's going to be set at a bass paced volume. So where you can hear it, but it's not overpowering or overstimulating. And then also, you are welcome to bring your phones in or use headphones and stuff like that. And so, it's going to be at a volume where you can still actually hear your own music if you are wearing headphones. Overall, I personally utilize Open Studio and I love it so far. It's a great way to go in and hit specific muscle groups that I feel like I may just not get enough time in some of the 2Gs. So sometimes I'll just go in for a nice, fun arm workout. Let me know if you tried Open Studio yet, or if you have any questions specific to it, and make sure to like and sub for more Orange Series videos. Thank you for watching.